Today we're making a popular and delicious Hong Kong-style Chinese recipe, honey walnut shrimp. A big part of honey walnut shrimp are the walnuts. We're going to sweeten our walnuts with honey and then bake them in the oven. To ensure that your nuts don't stick to the cookie sheet, just Now's the perfect time to prepare our honey cream sauce. In place of condensed milk, we're using coconut cream, so we're dairy-free. Stir that up and set it aside while we work on our shrimp. I've dried them with a paper towel and I'm going to add 1 egg white. Excellent! This is a ½ cup of arrowroot starch, which I like to use in place of cornstarch because nowadays you never know about the corn stalk and GMOs. Now we're gonna pan fry our shrimp. I'm sprinkling my walnuts back in and then drizzling my sweet and creamy sauce all over the shrimp and walnuts. And there you have it, a delicious dairy-free honey walnut shrimp. HOIA!